sa aking mga subscriber, silent viewers. I-update natin itong polymer na 100 pesos. May collector's value na siya. Issuer Philippines, issuing bank, Central Bank of the Philippines, Rolling Authority Republic, type standard circulation coins, years 2024, value 100 peso, currency peso, composition polymer, size 160 by 66 mm, shape rectangular, issued December 23, 2024. Overs Palawan Peacock, Peasant and Siratu Citron, Pisili Flower. Philippine Coat of Arms ang Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, Bank Seal 7. Bank Seal, pang 7 na palang Bank Seal to. Bank Seal 7. ₱100. Ito, ang sabi dito ay, this bill is a debt of the Central Bank and a responsibility of the Republic of the Philippines. Blessed are the people that God is the Lord. Ito yun, kasulat dito. Yung peacock, yung window, clear window, silyo. Reverse map of the Philippines at the center, left whale shark at center, Mayon volcano at right, 100 pesos. Ito yung whale shark, Mayon volcano, mapa ng Pilipinas, silyo, tsaka ito yung window. Puntan tayo sa presyo nya. Wala siyang ibang presyo, hindi uncirculated, 250. Mahal niya, diba? May collector's value na siya, 250 uncirculated. Signature Marcos Jr. and Remuluna. So sa aking mga silent viewer dyan, naman pwede makapaglambing ng subscribe. Tapos na subscribe, tapos na notification bell, paselect ng all para ma-notify kayo pag ako nag-upload na video. Palike na rin, at kung gusto mong i-share, pa-share na rin. Salamat!